Hey there, check out the FineDine 12-piece superior glass food storage containers set with 35-ounce capacity and newly innovated hinged locking lids. These containers are perfect for meal prep, freezer, and oven use, made from durable borosilicate glass that resists cracking and staining. The airtight locking lids keep your food fresh and are 100% leak-proof, ideal for work, gym, or travel. Unlike plastic, these containers are chemical-free and safe for hot foods, with BPA-free lids for extra safety. Cleaning is simple since the containers are dishwasher safe. The lids should be hand-washed. Plus, their stackable design saves space in your kitchen. Enjoy fresh meals anytime with this reliable and eco-friendly storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.